So we approached the central government of India, Ministry of External Affairs. We also approached to the university and also approached to the Odisha government. So after the dialogue with all these people, I think the Odisha government people, they went to KIT and instructed them to reverse basically their notices. So I think there was a U-turn immediately after the intervention of the government of India. And then this suspension of the classes and the closure of hostel for indefinite period was suspended. I think that is addressed. Now the hostel is open and the classes have been resumed. But in the meantime, government of Odisha as well as the KIT University, they have suspended, taken actions to several of their officials as well as the security guards. And also I think this lady which was alleged to have done the suicide, the case is also going on. They have told us that they will have the fear and just kind of legal action to them. And the university has assured us to do the support to them. So after this, I think we have also requested all the students to come back to the hostel, resume their classes, and if they are not coming on time, university has also asked us and asked them, requested them to come back, but they will take another class, alternative classes, so that they can also prepare for the alternative examinations. And those who have gone outside Odisha, they have been promised to give the return ticket. The ticket, I think they paid for to go to Nepal or anywhere else. So that's also good. So things are going normal now. I guess our officials from the embassy, 2 of them, they are stationed there. So according to them, I think situation is getting normal. Many students are coming back, but more have to come back again because they have been to Nepal. So hopefully everything will be all right. So the message to the students, I think they can come back with confidence. The police department in Odisha as well as the Nepali embassy officials, they have ensured the safety and security of the students, and the government of Odisha also has done the same thing. Plus, I also would like to, I think, give a message to Indian students that they should treat Nepali students as well as the foreign students like brothers and sisters, because they are so far away. They don't have anybody, they don't have guardian, their houses are far away. So they can become just like brothers and sisters and complete their education. Thank you.
Are you satisfied with the swift action which was taken by
Yes.
the government? Are you satisfied with
Yes.
that, sir?
So we are highly satisfied with the prompt action that has been taken by the government of India and as well as the Odisha government.